Grand Rising Cosmic Family, Magi Micah here with some relief on that persistent cough and other upper respiratory ailments as well. We all know it's been mask and distance season for a few years now, and so many of us have what seems like a permanent cough, but this is an easy fix with the right resources. We can help build our tolerance and resistance to such attacks on our respiratory system by strengthening our thymus gland. The thymus gland is located right below the thyroid in the chest and produces a hormone called thymosin. This hormone helps to transform white blood cells or lymphocytes into T cells. Once the T cells are mature, they then migrate to the lymph nodes, where they help boost the immune system. As stated before, a guaranteed way to combat most any ailment is by strengthening said thymus gland. Here are a few ways to improve its functioning. Step 1. Take holistic remedies like echinacea, rose hips, and olive oil, either in their capsule form or in their raw form. Step 2. Eat 5 to 7 servings of vegetables every day, especially vegetables that contain glucosinolates, which are broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Step 3. Consume foods rich in vitamin C and E, which are your antioxidants, citrus fruits, nuts, and greens. Step 4, and lastly, get at least 30 minutes or more of exercise daily. Exercising daily ensures blood circulates throughout the body in the thymus. The increased blood flow will ensure that the thymus's waste products are removed promptly and do not cause damage to the thymus, improving the recovery of the gland. These resources will help boost and maintain the immune system and overall health. Cosmic love and wisdom, family. Always. One.